So good day, this is my patient. So we will be doing the back massage. So but first we will gather I will gather the equipment, which is the ointment, hand sanitizer, and anything that for this back massage. And then next is I will perform hand hygiene. Then next is I will identify the patient and I will explain kung ano yung mga procedure na gagawin and mga gagawin. So, ma'am, may I know your name? Okay, ma'am Susan. Kailan po yung birthday niya? Okay, ma'am. May I see your ID band po? Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So, I will be massaging your back area. So, yung mga gagawin ko sa inyo massage and kailangan niyo po tumalikod. So, ma'am, pwede ko ba tumalikod po? So, after that, I will provide privacy for the patient and to ensure na comfy siya and walang ng privacy. Then next, after that, napasin siya na yung patient. So, magmamassage na po tayo. Yan, tataas ka po ulit. After mag-put ng ointment sa palm mo, you need to lather it. Then, ipatahin mo po siya sa back ng patient mo. Na-imply ko na po. After that, you will start the massaging back of the patient. So first is this one. This one. Then next is the striking of the back of the patient. Then, pwede mo siyang i-repeat kung ano yung ginawa ko nila. Then, we are now done sa massage po. So, ika-cover na po natin ang patient. Okay, now, meron na po tayo. So, after that, explain to the patient kung ano ba yung mga nagawa natin. So, now we are now done po sa massage po. So, please let me know kung kailangan po ko ba ng massage or not. So, thank you ma'am. Thank you po.